Hello students, welcome. Today we will discuss about valency. That means the concept of valency. Valency. That means the elements we know that in chemistry without valency nothing formula can be write or a compound cannot be formed. So elements of valency. What is valency? Elements of valency, out of which now 118 elements discovered up to now, out of which 94 elements are naturally occurring elements and 24 elements are artificial elements. So from the beginning the elements are hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, like this. So depending upon atomic number we can calculate the valency of elements. So valency, first let's take suppose one is lithium. Lithium, its atomic number is 3. So its electronic configuration is 2, 1. Then next is beryllium. Its electronic atomic number 4. So electronic configuration is 2, 2. Then lithium, beryllium, then boron. Boron atomic number 5 and its electronic configuration is 2, 3. Then carbon 6, it is 2, 4, and nitrogen, that is 7, atomic number 7, that means 2, 5. So from the beginning lithium electronic configuration is 2, 1, that means in first cell K 2 electrons and in L cell, second cell, 1 electron arranged. That means the outermost valence electron. So valence electron here equal to 1, valence electron here 1, here valence electron 2, here valence electron 3, and here valence electron 4, and in this case valence electron is 5. So how can you determine its valency? Valency is defined as the number of electrons in the outermost shell of an atom or the valence electrons. That means here the valency is 1 and here the valency is 2, in this case 3, in this case 4, but in this case the valency is not 5. In case of lithium, valency is 1, beryllium 2, boron 3, carbon 4, but in case of nitrogen, the valency is not 5. Why? The reason is that all the elements try their best to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. In this case, nearest noble gas configuration is, in case of lithium, nearest noble gas is helium. Then the noble gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So the valency here 1 and in this case 2, 3, 4. But in this case nitrogen, in case of nitrogen the valency is not 5 because it can, another definition also tells us that valency can be determined by, in this case, 8 minus 5 equal to 3. So if the number of valence electrons is 1, 2 or 3, then its valency is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. But if the number of valence electrons is 5 or more than 5, then its valency is 8 minus that number. So in case of nitrogen, the number of valence electron 5, so its valence is 3. Similarly, oxygen, in case of oxygen, atomic number 8, its electronic configuration 2, 6. So number of valence electron is 6, so its valence will be 8 minus 6 equal to 2. And fluorine, it is 9 and its electronic configuration is 2, 7. Number of valence electron 7, so its valence will be 8 minus 7 equal to 1. So this is one such definition of valency. That means it depends upon the number of valence electrons in the outermost shell. Depends upon the number of valence electrons in the outermost shell. If it carries 1, 2, 3 or 4 electrons, then valence is that number. But if it carries more 5 electrons or more than 5 electrons, then valence is 8 minus that number. Why 8 minus that number? Because all the elements try their best to attain the nearest noble gas configuration either by donating or by accepting electrons. So another definition, electrons, elements either by donating or accepting cations or anions are formed when elements donate electrons. What happens? They form positive ions. As for example, suppose sodium. Sodium, its symbol is Na and its atomic number 11. So its electronic configuration is 281. By 2n square rule, first cell can accommodate maximum 2 electron, second cell 8 electron and third cell can accommodate 18 electrons by 2n square rule. So sodium 11, its electronic configuration is 281. So it has one excess electron than the nearest noble gas neon, whose configuration is 28. Sodium has one excess electron than the nearest noble gas neon, whose electronic configuration is 28. So that sodium has one excess electron. It will donate this electron. Sodium will donate this electron, forming Na plus, or a cation is formed. A cation is formed. So that its valence is equal to plus 1. Because it donates only one electron to be stable or to attain the nearest noble gas configuration of neon, so that its valence is plus 1. Its orbital structure diagram we can also represent. In orbital structures, its electronic on first cell K cell contains 2 electrons and L cell contains 8 electrons and AM cell or the third cell contains 1 electron. So that when it donates 1 electron, it forms a cation and its charge is plus 1, so that its valence is plus 1. Similarly, if we take another example, suppose calcium. Calcium atomic number 20, so that its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8, 2. 2, 8, 8, 2. K cell, L cell, M cell and N cell. Its nearest noble gas is argon 18 and its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8. 2, 8, 8. So that calcium has 2 excess electron than the nearest noble gas argon. So that calcium will donate these 2 electrons to be stable and to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. So that calcium donates Ca. When donates 2 electrons, it forms Ca2 plus, that is a cation is formed, so that its valence is equal to plus 2. So that its valence is plus 2, and its orbital structure diagram is in the first cell calcium, in K cell 2 electrons, in L cell 8 electrons, and in M cell 8 electrons, and N cell 2 electrons. So last cell or N cell is its outermost cell, and the number of valence electrons is 2, so that it loses these 2 electrons to be stable, and its valence is 2. Similarly, if we take another example, suppose aluminum. Atomic number is 13, its electronic configuration 283. So, and its nearest noble gas is neon 10, that is 28. Electronic configuration is 28. So that aluminum has 3 excess electron than the nearest noble gas, so that it will donate these 3 electrons to be stable, forming Al3 plus, a cation also formed, and its valence is equal to plus 3, and its orbital structure diagram also shows the first cell contains 2 electrons, second cell 8 electrons, and third cell 3 electrons. So these are the cations formed, and its valence is positive. In case of sodium plus 1, calcium plus 2, and in case of magnesium plus 2, in case of lithium plus 1, similarly other elements. If we take another example, the element fluorine. Fluorine, its atomic number is 9, and its electronic configuration is 2, 7. That means in first cell, K cell 2 electron, L cell 7 electron, and its nearest noble gas is neon. Electronic configuration is 28, and its atomic number is 10. But fluorine has 7 electrons in its valence cell, that means in the outermost cell. So number of valence electrons is 7. So but it cannot donate 7 electrons. It is not easy on behalf of fluorine to donate 7 electrons. So it will be better to accept 1 electron from others to attain the nearest noble gas configuration of neon 28. So that fluorine being electronic configuration 27, when accept 1 electron, it attains 28 electronic configuration, which is the electronic configuration of neon, and it attains the octet rule, so that it is stable. So fluorine accept 1 electron to form fluoride ion, which is an anion, so that its valency equal to -1. Fluorine valence is -1. Similarly, If we take another example, suppose oxygen. Oxygen, its electronic configuration is 2, 6, as its atomic number is 8, and nearest noble gas same, neon 10, that is 2, 8. So oxygen has 6 electrons in its valence shell, so that whenever it accepts 2 electrons from others, it can attain the nearest noble gas configuration. That means by accepting, that means by gain of 2 electrons, oxygen attains the nearest noble gas configuration, so that oxygen, when accepts 2 electron, it forms O2 minus, that is an anion is also formed, and its electronic configuration is that. So its electronic configuration now is 2, 8, but before it is 2, 6, so that valence equal to -2. Valence of oxygen is -2 by the gain of electrons. Let us take an example of chlorine. Chlorine, atomic number 17, electronic configuration is 287, its nearest noble gas is argon 18, electronic configuration is 288. Chlorine has 7 electrons in its valence shell. Chlorine, when accepts 1 electron from others, or by the gain of 1 electron, it can attain the nearest noble gas configuration of argon. So that Cl plus 1 electron, that means when accept or by gain of 1 electron, it forms chloride ion, that is an anion, and its electronic configuration is now 288. Before it, the electronic configuration was 287, so that chlorine, by gain of 1 electron or by accept of 1 electron, it attains Cl minus, that is nearest noble gas configuration, so that its valence is equal to -1. Thus valency can be defined as the number of electrons that an atom can donate or can accept to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. Valence is defined as the number of electrons that can donate or can accept to attain the octet rule. This is one rule. Another is, if the number of valence electrons in the are 1, 2, 3 or 4, then valence is that number, and if the number of valence electrons is 5 or more than 5, then valence is 8 minus that number.